How to fix JBL Tune Beam earbuds mono mode issue. So if your JBL earbuds have this specific issue, you can go ahead and follow this step-by-step method. So over here, branded, you can go ahead and try inserting and ejecting the JBL earbud. So if your JBL earbuds are stuck in mono mode, know that sometimes this is a bug, so which can be solved quickly by reinserting them into the capsule. So when essentially that happens, here is that when the buds are inserted into the case and the lid is closed, they restart and refresh their features. So pretty much just insert the JBL into the case. You can close it and maybe wait for a few more seconds and eject the buds and test it in the current mode. So if you hear the different audio layers on different sides of your earbuds, then stereo mode has been activated. If you however continue to hear the audio layers equally on both earbuds, the mono mode is still activated. So you can go ahead and try doing another. So you can disable the mono mode manually. So the mono mode feature typically comes from the device that you're using as a source for the music output for your JBL earbuds. So in most cases, that's an Android or an iOS mobiles, and the modem mode can be disabled manually by reaching into the menu settings of the source device or your gadget. So go to your settings, scroll down and find accessibility, then go to hearing enhancements. So if you find the mono mode option, go ahead and try turning it off. So on iPhone though, it should look something like this. As you can see, mono mode in your accessibility settings. So again, directly to accessibility from settings, and under hearing, tap the audiovisual tab, and from there ensure that the mono mode is off. So another is to forget and connect the JBL Earbuds. So you're gonna have to forget it entirely and try pairing it up again. So you can do this in the settings and in the Bluetooth section of your gadgets. Another is to reconnect your JBL earbuds together. So aside from Bluetooth connection that JBL earbuds establish with your source device, so they also pair with each other. So you can do this ensuring your earbuds are not paired with Bluetooth. Then next, ensure that your JBL earbuds are in pairing mode. The blue LED on each earbud must be blinking, and press and release the JBL logo on both earbuds. Quickly press and hold the both earbuds for 5 seconds, and that should disconnect the left from the right earbud. To reconnect them, quickly tap both earbuds 3 times, and when you're ready, you insert them from their capsule. And finally, another option is to reset the JBL earbuds to default. So this has helped multiple people. So reinsert the JBL earbuds into the capsule, then quickly tap both JBL earbuds 2 times. On the third press, hold for 5 to 10 seconds and release when the JBL earbuds turn off. And reinsert the JBL earbuds into the capsule. So that's pretty much a factory reset for your JBL earbuds. But anyways, hopefully some of these methods can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.